Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Ke Bharatiya Janata Party ha ke jylla Meghalaya, kala Pdiang Burom ya hynniew Ngut ki riew paitbah, Kiba La Leit ban Pyniasoh Ialade bat katei ke seng, ha ke jingialang kaba pynlong, ha ke Ophis Treikam jong ha ke nongba Shillong, ha ke arpukhrah tarik Naiwieng hajar arpuar. Laya dan ryngkat ha katei ke sngi National Secretary ke BJP Rituraj Sinha, Presiden ke seng ha Meghalaya Bah Earnest Mawrie, MLA ke BJP na Pynthorumkhrah Bah A L Hek, kinong tray bat nong kershan ka seng BJP ha ke jylla bat kiwei. Kiriu paitbah ki bela rung thamai sya ka seng sain perthai BJP ha ke jylla ki kenthop ya unong yalam barim ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC Dipul R Marak MDC ka GHADC S K Sangma unong ya saj an ka yeng syari baheduk ke jylla Meghalaya Bah V G Kynta MLA barim ke jylla Elbert Marak Additional Secretary barim ke MPDCL Bah Debojit Warjri Assistant Director Katnat Sports jong ke School Bah Earnest Bah Pradiplah bat unong ya saj an bat Public Prosecutor barim ke yeng syari Bah Richesly J Nongbet.
Not only today, we have decided that the joining will take place here in Shillong, Joy, and in Tura Office also. For this task, we have entrusted to our General Secretary to welcome everybody to join in our party, right from the sports persons, the bureaucrat, anybody can join us, the business community. So this is just a start today. And we have put the target till 20th of this December. We have a big joining. So I welcome to the party, and from today we have become the family in the party. We'll work together in all the issues. As you know that we are left only 3 months for the general election in our state. So we need your guidance, your suggestion to make a roadmap how we should win in this 2023 election. And I'll not prolong because we have some other speakers also. So with this few words, I would like to welcome and thanks to all the new joining members to our party. Thank you.
My president requesting me, Bah Kynta, why you want to be a lone voice? Why are you shouting alone? Come, we are a better platform, a big platform. And yes, Bah Earnest Mawrie also, he visited my residence off and on, and I am so grateful to him for having come to my abode. People will be questioning how Mr. Kynta is joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes, this is the first time that I have joined a political party. In the past, long time ago, I was in the Khasi Students Union. I was a finance secretary. And during that time, I'm considered to be some sort of a person who holds everybody by their nose. In Khasi, we call Si Samkmut. So in the background, I used to be the leader that I am. Yes, I was a leader in the National Students Union of India also. And that was a privilege then. And of course, I'm enticed by the activities and workings of Bharatiya Janata Party. Long time ago, I used to comment that if I join a political party, it will be the Bharatiya Janata Party. It has been my motto, my wish, that if you want to swim, swim in a big ocean, not in small muddy ponds. I consider all regional parties which is, you can say, the MDA, to be political parties swimming in small ponds, muddy ponds. At the end of the day, they have to depend on the mother in the center, which is run and controlled by Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes, it is a fact that I have been very vocal lately, and I want to tell you all that I don't want to be a voice in the wilderness, a lone voice. I have been raising so many issues from time to time, and I've been very vocal about the corruptions. I've been vocal about the use of black money. It is a fact that we Khasis don't file income tax returns. And for that reason, we have got so many millionaires, I can say, whose wealth is unaccounted. I feel that in order to be responsible citizens, it is high time that we file income tax returns. We contribute to the nation.
Pro-development policies of the BJP government, and I am honored to join and extend my support to the party. I am a founding member of the NPP party and have been instrumental in establishing the NPP party in Resubelpara area and as other district of North Garo Hills. But I have realized that the people deserve better. The Meghalaya government, the state government, is privileged to have the support of the central government, but when the elected representatives fail to deliver even that to the constituency, the people decided that change was necessary, and the people chose me to spearhead the change.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has maintained that there is a pressure on the government to have railways in the state. So what is your party's mind on that?
Well, at this point in time, I will say that you should wait for the manifesto of the BJP, which will be announced in January. We will like to keep some things away for now, but we will bring it and clarify our position on this matter shortly.
We would like to recall the statement of your Meghalaya in charge when he stated that the BJP will soon decide to pull out of the MDA government. So when can we expect this to happen?
Madam, political strategy is not a matter to be discussed with the press. The party will decide, and at the right time we will make the announcement.
You mentioned about you mentioned about
One at a time.
Yes,
The
yes.
NPP has accused that the BJP is a toothless
Tiger.
tiger in this aspect to her question. Carrying to that, what do you have to say on this?
I think the results of the elections will best explain the answer to that point. I would not like to indulge in mudslinging. I will only say that we respect all political parties, but we believe that the people of Meghalaya have made up their mind. They want double engine government. They are seeing what is happening next door in Assam. They want that kind of development at speed in the state, and I'm sure that the people will come out this time and vote for the BJP and ensure that Modi ji leadership is here and driving the future of Meghalaya.
But the Assam government itself is killing our own people here in the state, in Mukro. So what do you have to say on this?
Yeah.
So I visited Mukro personally with a delegation of our state president, Mr. Mawrie, our minister here, Mr. Shanbor Solai, also our senior leader and MLA, Mr. A L Hek. We were there last evening in the village. I met with all the 5 families that have lost their loved ones. I'd like to say 2-3 things. Number one, BJP has gone to the village and extended financial assistance to each of the families and shared their sorrow. Most other political parties have not even taken the pain of traveling all the way and meeting the ones who have suffered. Number two, we believe that if the neighboring state, Assam State Police, has acted out of line, judicial inquiry has already been constituted. We are appealing to the CM of Assam, our BJP leader, and a delegation led by Mr. Mawrie is going to meet him on 30th to present our case and say that if Assam Police has acted out of line, strongest action should be taken. But at the same time, I would like to raise 2 questions. First question is, the Home Minister of this state hails from UDP, he hails from Jaintia region. The way the police is managed in Meghalaya, with everything centered around Shillong and not adequate support for the people in the interior areas, I think it is time for the Home Minister to take some responsibility. He should resign because he has been unable to discharge his duties. At the same time, we also humbly request the CM of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma ji. I have met the families personally. Some of them are 39-year-old person, 40-year-old person, 4 children, 5 children, underage children. They have a whole life to look after. I urge CM Meghalaya to kindly give one government job to each of the persons who has lost life. Each family deserves support from the government. In the long term, they should be given government job. That is our appeal.
How do you look at
writing to the government about this?
How do you see the violent incidents in Shillong? How does the center view this following the Mukro incident?
Well, we humbly request all people that violence is not going to be a solution to any problem. Attacking outsiders, stopping roads is not going to solve the issue. We need to sit down on the table and talk. And we will try our best that BJP, even as we are not fully in power here, we are only a small ally in the coalition, we will fully try to support the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam to come together and solve the people's problem. BJP stands with the people of Meghalaya, stands with the people of Jaintia Hills, stands with the people of Mukro village especially, and we'll do our best to support them.